Today when they bring Nnamdi Kanu, if you just tell us how the scenario be, drama been happen or how it been carry happen?
Drama been happen in a way, but not be serious drama in the sense that they come out from courts. I mean, go federal court to do one case. So they come out, then I see my friends from DSS. They just come with, the way they come now, in a Gestapo manner, plenty motor center, and then they park one for front of the entrance to the federal court. Me, I know that one high-profile person, they won't carry come today. So immediately now when I see the people, I know I cross because I know some of the guys who are my friends. So we were having a conversation, and then we talk. So I asked them, say, what's happened? Then next time I know Nnamdi Kanu they carry come courts. So we talk now. Then within that period, same period, they bring Nnamdi Kanu come up from inside the motor, carry him, enter the court. Then they carry enter inside the court. Then they arraign them before justice. Of course, they don't arraign them before session. Just to finish everything they happen before. Then they apply, the states apply, say, okay, they don't arrest this man with jump bail before, now they give them dates to continue their trial. Then in the interim, now they'll keep out for their place until maybe if the lawyers decide to file another bail application, or they'll keep on there, do expedited hearing for the next date. So the court's going to grant the application, going to adjourn the case to 26th of July this year, we will do so, 2021.
Okay, so as person where be human rights activists and so where also the day court every time on the 26th, waiting which kind thing go play out for court? What Nigerians go expect say it go play out for court on the 26th?
This one a serious matter in the sense that see the thing be say now they'll give them bail. Bail in a way na constitutional rights, but bail now for the court to also decide. It's now for the court to look, say this person deserves bail, you don't deserve bail. If the court say deserve bail, the court will give you bail. They say you deserve bail, they don't give you bail. Now the court don't look now because no case. Or upon say they charge them for very serious offense, like treasonable felony. Another serious offense will be saying no even entitled to bail naturally. But the court can't use in discretion, still grant and bail, say okay, go house, go relax, come back and continue your trial. Now after the courts go overboard, you jump the bail. Now, once the court don't give you bail, you don't jump bail. You know they're entitled to bail as a matter of course again. No? Now, asking we try be that. So on that day now, I know for C situation where lawyers will come to the court, come they argue, say, I don't give us bail again. Nothing like that will happen. Waiting go likely happen on that 26 be say, lawyers will come court. From where they stopped the last time, within trial will continue. So if now for the state to call witnesses or for them to open defense, at that stage you go enter. Then what best way the court will do for them is say they go order for accelerated hearing so that the court will decide a case accordingly. And if peradventure the court or the states feel say within that period this man Nnamdi Kanu already commit other offenses, they feel amend the charges or file other charges against them or amend the charges to bring more counts against them for this trial. But if they feel say they still continue this trial as it is so, they continue this trial as it is so, then the court will decide if it's one way or the other. If the court, the fact say jump bail, nobody say they guilty, and the fact say jump bail, nobody say no they guilty. Anything if you make person jump bail, if you jump bail because of say if you say no go there entitled to fair trial for this proceedings. If you jump bail because of say you get what you don't go do for that place where you need to go do, and you know if you wait. I know you don't say if you come court, coffee no grant you the application to travel when you want them. So different reasons will make you jump bail. And you still if you jump bail, go, still come back, and the court go still feel say, waiting the question you do, you know, do them. So if at the end of the day the court feel say, Nnamdi Kanu commit any offense, they go say Nnamdi Kanu, you know do anything, they go your house. And if on the other hand they feel say the offenses where they charge them for has been they prove them, they say prove them through leading serious evidence against them, then they go give them waiting in their entitled to either life imprisonment or fine or anything they will give them, they will give them. But on that day, no question say we will get normal full trial where people will be witness. And I'll go also advise the states. Nobody they're guilty until court say you they're guilty. The fact saying he ain't jump bail, I know jump bail. You don't know why he jump bail. But yes, the fact saying jump bail, don't be saying they're guilty. So many they talk now say because say they don't go arrest and kind of come and they talk say Nnamdi Kanu they guilty, Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist. It don't be so. For now, the constitution talks say until the lead evidence prove you guilty, you dey innocent. Nnamdi Kanu say they innocent.
Okay, so when we talk about speedy trial, for young people who don't understand them, when we talk about speedy trial, how many weeks or months spirit trial feel reach? How you feel stretch this case like this? Because we know say in case na high profile case, how stretch the case fit be?
In short, the ACJ talks say trial of this nature, criminal trial of this nature, suppose they happen. They suppose they adjourn for every 2 days. Now, spirit trial depends on still waiting happen. If you want to spirit trial, it's for them to now collaborate on how to get spirit trial. For instance, now the court will say, okay, we want spirit trial. The court will say, okay, every day. If we adjourn the case for every day, and they go say on this so day, I will take 3 witnesses. On so day, I will assign 5 hours to you for your trial on this very day. That one is spirit trial. Those are just things we say you do to ensure spirit trial. So if on that day now they come court, now the court will say, well, on this day, we go take how many witnesses you get. Maybe they get 5 witnesses, the states, to prove their case. Because we say your 5 witnesses, take them within 2 days. You see, within 2 days now, the state go close their case. They go say, okay, you how many days, how many witnesses you get? Defense, how many witnesses you want call? I want call 5 witnesses. Okay, 5 witnesses, we'll give you 3 days to call your 5 witnesses. You say after 3 days, you go close in your case too. Then the next thing, either they go file no case submission or the court, or either after the case, after the state now close their case, they now have a choice to decide whether to enter defense or to file no case submission. If they feel say the case where the state lay against them, the state no prove them, they go enter no case submission. They go file no case submission to show say the evidence where the state don't lead, you know, tally with what they charge them for. If the court believes say yes,